Hello dear students, today we will go to the first order reaction kinetics. Okay. First order kinetic So likewise zero order, here also we will derive that integrated first order kinetics and along with the half-life period. So what is first life period? Suppose you are considering a reaction that A gives the product. Okay, A is the reactant and it gives product. And it's not like zero order, as we know that zero order the rate constant doesn't depend upon the concentration of the reactants, but here rate depends upon the concentration of the reactants. Okay, so what will be your ROR, or that is small r equals to K into concentration of A. The power is 1 here because this is what your first order reaction. Okay, and again we know that the rate, how will you calculate the rate? Another method, that is what the minus of 1 by 1 d concentration of A by dt. This is again we know that how to know calculation of ROR, and this is according to the rate law expression. This is rate of the reaction. Okay, so from these two what we got, that dA concentration by dt equals to, or minus dA by dt equals to Ka concentration. Clear this much? So if you take out concentration terms in one side, that is dA by dt, dA by dA by A equals to minus K dt. These things I can write. Okay, so integrating both the sides, we are calculating that integrating both the sides. Why we are integrating? Because we need the kinetics in each step, what concentration it has been consumed. Suppose a first order reaction, and we need to calculate the consumption of a concentration in unit time. Okay, so let's say 1 minute, 2 minutes, what is the time consumption? So integrating both the sides, what you will get? This integration of dA by A concentration equals to integration K dt. Okay, suppose we have initial and final. Suppose at t equals to 0, at t equals to 0, that is what initially, initially t equals to 0, that means the time just we have started, the concentration, that is A concentration, let's say A naught, and time at t equals to, what will be the A concentration? Suppose A will be your A concentration. Okay, understood? So what is the variation? Time is from 0 to t, that is the limit, 0 to t, and the concentration terms from initial to final, that is A naught to A. Okay, so what will be the value of this? This is nothing but log EA, okay, equals to, this is again 0 to t, so what you will get? This is constant minus K t, that is 0 to t. Here also a naught to a. Okay, so this you can write log e a minus log base e a naught. This is again equals to so log e base a minus log e a naught, which is again you can write minus k this t minus 0. Okay, so you can write log base e a minus log e a naught equals to minus k t. Okay, so log e basically we are writing in terms of log base 10. So if you will convert this log e to log base 10, that we need 2.303. It's a functional, it's a term that is the standard. So if you need to convert this into the log base 10 a base 10, because all the problems we are solving in terms of log base 10 only. Okay, so for that we need to multiply one word log 1 log, that is 2.303 log base 10 a minus log base 10 a naught equals to both the sides. Okay, or minus kt, or this much equals, if you write this. Okay, now divide 2.303. so your value, the log value is what? Log base 10 a minus log base 10 a naught equals to minus kt by 2.303. So I have written directly in this step, because if I will multiply, then I have to take again the common or divide 2.303 through both the side. So here I have written these things directly. Okay, so this particular term you can write, that is what? Log a by, you can write log of a by a naught, or this minus, by multiplying with minus it will be log a naught by log by a. Yes or no? If you multiply it by minus, so this will be a naught by a equals to kt by 2.303. So what will be the value of k? K equals to, what you will get? K equals to 2.303 by t log a naught by a. So this is very important equation you got from first order kinetics. Most of questions you are going to solve by this. Okay, so another formula that you will get, another form of this is exponential form. You can make it from this equation. From this equation you can make the exponential form from this. Okay, how? You can write these things as your, I am writing this side, log e a by a naught equals to minus kt. Okay, the log e will be this side, then a by a naught equals to e to the power minus kt. Okay, this right, the log value, if log will be, you are taking a log to the right side, it will be exponential, or the a equals to a naught e to the power minus kt. So this is the another form of first order reaction, that is, this is known as exponential form, exponential form or equation of first order reaction. So but you have to use this one 99% to solve the problems. Okay, we will do. Is it okay? Okay, let me clean. Okay, so what is the formula that we got? K equals to 2.303 by T log A naught by A. Okay, A naught is the, right, A naught is the initial concentration. Okay, and what is A? A is the remaining concentration. Okay, so if you plot a graph between the concentration versus time, concentration, that is what, log A concentration, A naught concentration versus time, what you'll got, according to time the concentration slope got now. Okay, and this slope, from where I'll get this? I got this from this equation, log E base A equals to log A naught minus kt. This form we got previously, and this is nothing but y equals to mx plus c, or here minus kt. This equation I can write also, log E base A minus kt plus log A naught, right? So in x-axis, this one is x-axis is time, so I can write this way, so minus k, which is your slope. So rate constant, how will you find out? By finding out the slope. So slope is nothing but the tan theta. For this we know the tan theta. Okay, what will be the value? If you will calculate, you will get k by 2.303. Okay, so now we will see the half-life. Half-life is what? To reach 50% of the concentration, what will be the time? The time taken to reach 50% of the reaction. So how will you know that 50% reaction occurs? That means if you will calculate the concentration of the reactant is 50%, then this will be your half-life period. So half-life period, what will be the value? T equals to T half, definitely. Yes, T must be T half. And what will be the initial concentration? That is A naught. A naught must be, or A must be, initial is 100. So A must be A naught by 2. Yes or no? A must be A naught by 2. That is what remaining. That must be 50 of these 2. That is half of the initial concentration. Yes, and this is the T half. So if you put these values in this equation, what you will get? K equals to 2.303 by T half log A naught by 2. So what will be the T half? T half equals to, see, T half equals to A naught cancel, and 2.303 by K log 2 base 10. And what is the value of log 2? Log 2 is nothing but 0.3. So here 2.303 into 0.3 by K, which is approximately you are getting 0.693 by K, which is T half. This is the T half equation, and you are going to solve any half equation of the first order reaction. Yes, you will calculating by this, and for that or directly half first order reaction you can calculate from the T. Okay, we'll do one example. Okay, thereafter I will give one question. Okay, so this is the question. A product A gives the product, it is the first order reaction. The concentration of A changes from 0.1 molar to 0.02 molar. 0.1 molar to 0.02 molar in 40 minutes. Find the rate of reaction of at concentration of A is 0.01 molar. So how will you do the solution? I am giving the hints, you will solve it. Okay, so we know that R or rate is equals to K into concentration of A for this, and A is one first order reaction given. Okay, we don't know the K, so first find the value of K. So K is, what is the formula? 2.303 by T log A naught by A. A naught is the initial concentration, A is the final concentration that has been given. Initial concentration is this is your A naught, and this is your final concentration A. Okay, so you can put this one. So 2.303, T is given, that is 40 minutes, 40 log 0.1 by 0.02. If you solve it, you are getting K. Okay, suppose K you got X, so rate equals to how much? Rate equals to X into the concentration of A is already given, 0.01. You will get the answer. Okay, so do it and submit the answer.